Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 26 February 2026, Nifty index opened positive but failed to hold above its 50-daily exponential moving average and dropped from 25,650. It witnessed some consolidation in the second half and managed to respect the support of 25,400. It formed a doji sort of a candle on the daily frame and settled the choppy session slightly off its intraday highs, but with marginal gains of 60 points. India VIX was down by around 5% to 13.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.88. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,000 to 25,800, while immediate range could be in between 25,300 to 25,650 zones. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 3,025 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 3,639 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 21%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to cross and hold above 25,500 for strength to rebuild towards 25,750. While support can be seen at 25,350 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 61,000 for the next up move towards 61,500, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 60,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Laurus Labs, Lupin, Shriram Finance, Nalco, JSW Steel, Eicher Motor and Axis Bank. While some weakness could be seen in Lodha, Dixon, Bharti Airtel, ITC and Asian Paints. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.